everybody, it's Jeanette from Jewelry by Jeanette, and I wanted to give you a quick update on a couple of things. So I know I haven't done a video in a little while. It's been crazy busy for me. We are moving to South Carolina. We are having a house built, so we've been back and forth a lot, and I haven't been able to do a video. But I do plan to do videos in the very near future. I haven't forgotten about them. So stay tuned because I have a couple of kit videos that I have planned. So I just wanted to update you also on the availability of some of the kits I have in my Etsy shop. I've got the, let me see, what did I call these? The spring green and the blue stretch bracelet kits here, and I've only got a few of those. I think I have 3 or 4 of the blue, and I think I only have 2 of the green left. So those are in my Etsy shop. That's the, let me check the name of this, the Blue Crystal Bead Mix Kit for the stretch bracelet and the spring green. I also have the, excuse me, the Spring Swing Earrings Kit. This is not everything that you get in the kit. This is just the beads and the hooks, but I do include also the rings. You'll see I write myself a little note here. We've got oval jump rings, 6 millimeter, oh yeah, 2 6 millimeter jump rings, 2 of the gold rings, and 4 ball head pins. I add those in before I ship out my kits. So, excuse my voice, allergies. It is spring despite the 40-degree weather we've been having here in New York. But anyway, these are the spring swing earrings with these beautiful rose quartz beads. I only have 2 of these left in the shop. I also have the Into the Woods bracelet kit. This is still available in my shop. I think I have 3 of those left. This is a really pretty one of my favorites. And I also have the Twig earrings kit. I've got about 4 or 5 of those left in the shop. And I wanted to tell you that I did sell out of the, oh my goodness, Endless Summer, that's it. The Endless Summer Memory Wire bracelet kit has sold out, but I will be making a very similar kit and doing a video for that very soon. I have not forgotten about my channel, so I will be doing more videos very soon. It's going to only be 1 or 2 more trips for me, and then we are moving in. Our move-in date is supposed to be July 1st, so it's very exciting, very busy. But anyway, thanks for watching, joining me today, and I'm going to give you a really quick picture of what Henry is doing right now. Hang on, let me just, the Henry cam. I will be including Honey. She's usually just not around when I make the videos. Where are we? Hi, Henry. You sleeping? Oh, did I wake you up? All right. Say hi to everybody. Oh, big stretch. Yeah, we need the big stretch. Okay. And say hello? Okay. Anyway, that's it for today. And join me for my next video. Hopefully my voice will be back by then. Take care, everybody. Please comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what kind of kits you would like to see and what kinds of videos you'd like to see me do in the future. Thank you so much. and I'll see you soon.